Nasaya na wala ka natin. Pinataba na. Kanina. Nawali naman. Easy 2 points. Saan mabilis din. 2 points. Napitigan pa po. Sura after is 2 points. Lays up by Joshua, 2 points. 78. Out. Rebound by number 16. Si Padura may tangan po ang paso. Sa gitna is 2 points.
Starting tayo, idol. 5-4 ang ating score. Yun na, huli tayo. Pasensya na. Shout out na lang sa inyong lahat.
2 points. Number 20. Number 3 pass. Number 29 Conan short. Ako ay Santana, bola Santana. Looking for a teammate. Pinasa kay Santana rin. Pasa Santana ulit. Pinasa. Tinira. Sablay. Now number 11, 2 points. 8 minutes and 10 seconds. Number 13, Sablay. Santana may daan na bola. 7 minutes and 55 seconds. Santana using an fan. 2 points. Haba na yung may daan na bola. Haba na yung pass to Ken. Ken pass to number 18 for 2. Wala. Rebound by Gonanan. Tinira. 2 points. 10-7. Hindi barang Hermay. Santana, nagano mabasahan, 50 to shoot. Pinalik kay Santana, pinalik kay Santana. Pinasa kay Santana pa rin. Traveling violation. Number 13, may daan ng bola. Number 13, 7 minutes and 5 seconds. Pass to Conanan. 4-2. Masyadong mahina. Pass to Santana, pass to Santana pa rin. Santana, pinasa kay Scotty. 4-3. Wala. Rebound by number 29, pass to number 3, Amaneo. Pass to number 13. Number 13, Dinira. Easy basket. 6 minutes and 35 seconds. Santana, side step. Connect. Binasa kay Ken. Easy 2 points. Palitan na ang score. Si number 11. Number 11, pinapaalala pa sa pass to Scotty. Scotty looking for number 12. Number 10. Number 10, 10 to shoot. 8 to shoot. Santana. Sablay. Rebound number 13. Number 13 ay pamadali. Number 2. Bet sinasao. Easy 2 points. 1 point lead para sa team Escarion. Favor na tayo. Sablay. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 11 foul. Foul on number first team foul. 2 shot on number 11. Nawali ko na ng pass to number 13. Number 13, pumukol ng 3 points. Stage 5 na tayo. Dalawang tingiralan yun ha. Next part. Number 16, Padura. Wala. Rebound na number 7-7. Pinasa kanino. Kay number. Rebound number 16. 2 points. 16-15. Gunanan. For 3. 3 points. Number 29. Ayan na. Ayan si number 77. Nagmamadali. Binasa kanina ko number 18. Ganda na basa number 5. Sablay. Baliktad yun. Number 77. Pass to Pandura. What a pass by number 77. Easy 2 points. Basic na basic. Number 9. Pass to Unanan. Take. Binigay number 9. Pass to number 5. For 3. Wala. Rebound na number 14. Pass to number 77. Number 77. Pinasa kanina. Wala ready. For 3. Wala. Rebound number 29. Pass to number 9. Number 9 kailangan na bola. Pinasa kanina kay number 0. Sablay. Rebound number 9. Pula ka kanina ball. 10 to shoot. Pass to Unanan. Sablay. Rebound number 29 pa rin. Pass to outside. Pandura may tangang bola. Pumukol. Sablay. Rebound sa tahanan. Offensive foul. Number 5 may tangang bola. Bala sa akin number 29. Fake. 29 pa rin. Kick out kay number. Pinasa kay number 5. Fake. Number 5 jump shot. Sablay. Kanya pa rin. Pass to number 29 for 3. 3 points. Number 29. Napaganda pa. 15 to shoot. Kanta pass. 2 points. Number 5. Number 5 may tangan na bola. Number 5 side step. May foul. 2 shot ni Joshua. Basket. Reserve time tayo. One last throw ni number 5 Joshua on the line. Basket. Silence. Group 5. Number 77. Acting kay point guard. Pass to Pandura. Pandura for 3. Wala. Rebound number 5. Foul. Pandura pass to number 77. Back to Pandura. 10 to shoot. Pass to number 18. Ortiz. Wala. Rebound number 9. Pwede naman kamadali. Number 9. Pass to Unanan. Using the board. Kasa na malakas. Rebound number 5. Pass to number 14. Number 14. Santana. Santana. Sablay. Rebound Santana. Pass to Pandura. Using the glass. 2 points. 21-24. 3-point lead para sa Escarion. Number 9. Number 9 pa rin. Pass to Joshua. Fake. Joshua pass to number 9. Pass to number. Foul. 5 seconds left. Number 5. Pass to Joshua pa rin. Joshua laksa-laksa. Ayun pa sa number. Nasilang nanawan kaya pa rin. Number 0 for 3. 3 points. Sa pagkanta ba yun? 21-27. 32 seconds left. $15 to shoot. 22 seconds left. Muna lang kinabot. Rebound by number 5. 15 seconds left. Foul. Foul on number. A shot on number 16. number 23. Connect ulit. 10.5 seconds. Ayun na si Joshua. Joshua para sa number 0. Bila sa may tatatingin. Pagawa na ba yan? 1 second. 2 points number 9. Ayun sa number 13. Number 13. Susubukan na ng 3 points. Grabe naman ito si Gavin. Scotty tinira, lucky balance 2 points. Lager pala din pa ito. Dalawang lager. Number 7. Wala, number 20. Number 20 pass to number 13. Number 13 para natahan na bola. Pinasa kay number 5. Joshua, jump shot. Wala pa rin. May foul. Pushing foul. Number 30.
Oh.
Uy, steal! Nasa budalangin na bot. Buwan ni Padura. Padura for 3. Wala. Rebound number 24. Sablay pa rin. Buwan number 11. Number 11. Ganda na pasa ka na sa tana. Budala. Save ball. Naka number 77, sablay pa rin. Rebound by Joshua. Joshua nagtatawid. Pass to number 13. Pumukol na naman. Sablay. Pass to number 77. Number 77. Ganda naman ang pasa. Easy 2 points. What a pass by number 77. 15 to shoot. Padura. Padura na yung kakawin. Kahit ang basket na malabit. Babalik ang bola sa team na 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Joshua for 3. Wala. Mahalat si Joshua. Foul number 13, holding ball for Padura. Retang bola, Padura lays up 2 points. Pass to Ken for 3. Wala pa din, mahalat din si Ken. Stolen by number 3. Foul. Pass to Joshua. Joshua may na bola. Joshua na may foul. Number 13 for 3. Wala, rebound ni Joshua. Joshua pass again. Ken for 3. September 8. Rebound. Bulatangin na po ni number 13. Number 24 lang tawa. Number 24. Traveling violation. Joshua. Pass to Ken. Pass to number 3. Pass to number 13. Number 13 tuloy pabila ng bala. Number 13 balik yung ulit. Number 13 ay panagot. Number 11. Number 11 pass to number 20. Number 20. Pinali Vice. 2 points. Shot. Grabe naman yun. What the heck? Oh, yan. Number 13. Foul. Foul. 22 seconds na lang. Grabe. Okay, live ball. Okay, stop na. 5 minutes. Number 18. Pass to number 5. Long ball si number. Nawali Bandirama. Bandirama, papangan. Ang ganda na pasama ng malakas. Hindi ko lang pa rin. zero pass to Kunanan. Kunanan, lista pa ba? Wala. So, rebound by number 9. May Barcoan. Solid by number 5. Manibok. Easy 2 points. 34 to 42. Labang ako ng dalawang team provide. Number 9. May daan ng bola. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Pinasa ka number 13. Wala. Napindot yun Rebound ni number 13. Pass to Saddam. And Saddam. Bumukol. Sablay. Rebound number 0. Number 0 pa rin. Pinasa kay number 9. Number 9. Looking for number 18. For 2. Easy 2 points. Basic na. Amara. Nakalusot ang silan. Paso ko na na. On the laser. Masyado malakas. 15 seconds. Wala sablay. Kanya pa rin. May mga sa basket. One strong. Mang ibibigay ng 14 foul on number. Third personal foul on number 13. Dalawang pananakit mo na lang. Ball strong basket. 34-37. Favor of Team Rumay. And then number 6, may tamang bala pass to number 9. Number 9. Tinira floater. Easy 2 points. Number 17, dala na bola. Number 17. Shallow pass kaya pa rin. Pass to number. Nakalusap ang nakasilan. Nagagawa ng kuha para ni Tamara. 12 to shoot. Easy 2 points. 36-39. Second shot clock.
Not counted mga idol. Tumama na naman si Atlak.
Number 30 pass to Saddam. Saddam. Wala. Rebound na number 5. Wala pa rin. Nagagawa naman ni number 29. Number 29. Nagapakasaan niya sila na number 18. Tira. Sa basket yan. Napaganda ba yun? 5-point lead para sa Team Rumay. Pass to number 9. Tumala na dalawa. Sablay. Sayang. Pass to number 17. Ayun sa number 17. Number 17. Nabitawan na bola. Number 30 pass to number 29. Number 29. Easy 2 points. Serve tama tayo sa Team Iscariot. Number 29. 3 points. Back to up. Number 29. All 41 ang ating score. To shoot. Number 5. Lays up. Masyadong malakas. Nawa number 5. 10 to shoot. Supply naman na pa rin. Time out. Escarion. One minute remaining time para sa ating second quarter. Number 0 for 3. 3 points. Gulat yun ah. Tirang na isa. 52 seconds left. Supply, rebound number 9. Number 9. Number 9 nagagawan. Stolen by number 30. Number 30, umikot. May foul. 30 ang warding for graduate, number 30. First strong connect. All 44. Wala, rebound ni number 30. Number 30, tinira, sablay, rebound nyo, nagagawa na ka number 5. Pass to the ball, pass to sa dam, tinira pa, pass to basket. Number 8, penalty. Bonus throw in number 17. Wala. Yung kanina ka number 17. 10 seconds left. Nakuha pa naman na naman sa play. Rebound number 18. Number 18. Tinira. Wala. Rebound nagagawa. Kanino? And second quarter. High score 44-46 in favor of Romay.
Third quarter na tayo mga idol.
Number 7. Matik magagawa na ako na pala number 5 foul. Foul na number 20. Joshua, may taka ng bola. Joshua, kadriwan. Joshua, wala sa side step. Traveling violation. Matapos tinawa. Number 7, pass to number 17. 17. Nasiya na wala natin. Pinatang bola. Kanino? Nakakuha ni number easy 2 points. Masyado mabilis yun. Pass to number 7 for 3. Wala. Rebound na kuha nito. Napaganda na magagawan. Nakuha number 7. Pass to number 17. Number 17. Tinira ko na lang. Rebound nito. Number 30. Pass to number 29. Number 29 for 3. Masyado malakas. Babala ko sa atin. Napaganda ba yun? 2 points. Napitigan pa po. Padura floater is 2 points. Ayan si Joshua. Iasa kayo ang Apaneo. Apaneo ay nakanang mga pasu. Monana, long 3. Wala, in and out. Rebound by number 16. Si Padura may tangan bola pass to number 17. Sa gitna is 2 points. On 8:50, dalawa lang ginabol ng Escarion. Pass to number 30. 15 to shoot. For 3 points. Number 17, may foul. Now number 16, Padura, sumalaksak, easy basket, 2 points. Joshua, pass to number 9, pass to number 13. Muting pabitawan, pinasa kanino, nakuha ni Joshua, 5 to shoot. Number 9, tinira, sablay, rebound ni number 16, pass to number 7, pass to Salam, sa ilalim, easy 2 points. Isang natalo ka sa Escarion, Unanan, pass to number 9, Bandirama, looking for Kunanan, sablay, kuha ni Joshua, pass to Kunanan, these 2 points. 53-54. Wala sa basket. Number 3. First personal foul. Basket. 53-57. Number 2 nila yung pass. Huwag man na yun. Pass to number 5. Joshua. Side step. Wala. Pass to number 17. Number 17 naman. May foul. Foul number 29. Ay, second personal foul. Second personal foul number 29. Third team foul. Batura. Pumukan ng dress. 3 points. 53-60. Ayan si Banderata. May foul. Foul number 20. Pass to 13. For 3. Short. Pass break kanino. So na guys, number 3. Number 3. Looking for limit. Pass to Kunanan. Take. Kunanan for 3 points. 29. 56-60. Abot na lang yung Apple. Padura. Padura dito yung foul. Foul for penalty. Padura ulit. 3 points. Back to pass. Ayan si Joshua. Tapos sa tababigan. Number 13. Number 13. Ganda ng ikot. Supply. Ayan, number 17 bola. Number 17. Number 17. Ganda ng pasa. Easy no points. Serve time na tayo. Serve time out. Number 7. Pass to Padura. Pass to number 7-7. Tira. Easy no points. Time out. Escapon. Ayan si Joshua. May damang bola. Pass to Kunanan. Pass to number 0. May foul. Number 8 foul. Kunanan pass to Joshua. Joshua giving the ball. Joshua for 2. Connect. 2 points. Nakashoot na rin si Joshua. 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Pass to number 30 for 3. 3 points. Atintay niyo na. Oksogo. Ken Babawe. Wala. Rebound number 17. Solomon number 5. Joshua. Ito na ba Joshua? May foul. Foul number 17. First throw ni Joshua. Basket. Last throw ni Joshua. Wala. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 30. Pinasakan niyo ang number 7 for 3. Wala. Rebound number nagagawa. Number 17. Number 17. Foul. Foul. Last throw. Basket. 59-71. 2 minutes and 18 seconds. Banderama. May nakang bola. Looking for Joshua. Ayan si Joshua. May nakang Joshua. Alley pass. Kanino. Pass to number 30. Pass to 11. Binato. Easy to one. Correct. 59-70. 15 to shoot. Pass to Ken for 3. Wala pa din. Nakawali ko na ng bola din ni Rai. Easy 2 points. Grabe traveling violations. 1 minute and 12 seconds. Dual to shoot ko na, long three, air ball. Wala. Rebound by number 0. Pass to number 9. Number 9, Domingo. Pinal, ito sa basket. Para number 30. 10-point lead para sa team Room 5. Bonus throw ni number 9. Connect. 32 seconds. 4-3. Zero. Gumana. Basket. 10-point lead. Rebound by number 5, pass to number 0. Pass to 10. For 3. Wala pa rin. 15 seconds. 10 seconds left. Ganda na basa. Basket 5 seconds. And of our third quarter. 64-76 by Room 5.
Fourth quarter na tayo mga idol.
Get ready po para sa next game. Manera versus Ace Code. Mag-tease na. Ganda ng pasa. Sablay. Rebound by number 77. Nagagawan. May foul. Number 16, Padura. May nakaba Padura for 3. Wala. Pass to number 18. Pig. Number 18. Okay, babalik ako. Number 77. Pass to number 18, pass to number 7, pass to Scotty. Pass to number Kanino, easy 2 points on number 14. 64-78. Favor of Room 9. For 3, short. Iba mo number 18. Nakakuha din ang turnover. 8 minutes and 20 seconds left. Tundanan for 3. Wala. Iba ng Scotty Bass Padura. Padura to number 20. Number 20. Now what? Number 9. Sablay pa rin. Kanina ang bola. Rebound by number 13. The one tap to shoot. Lisa lays up. Basket yan. 2 points. Stop shot. Number 16. Napaganda rin. 2 points. 66-80. Rebound by number 6-8, pass to number 7-7. Simon! SW, wala na kayong timeout. 7 minutes and 18 seconds. 15 to shoot. Behind the back pass to number 18. Sablay remove number 9. 2 points. 6-8. 50 to shoot. Reserve time on now para sa team provide. Nawa number 18 for the Sablay. Nawa number 77. Number 7 na lang sa mga pass to Badura for 3. Wala. Rebound ni Joshua. Tama to. Ayan yung side. Joshua. Pass to wala lang for 2. Wala. Air ball. Rebound by Santana. Pass to Tamara. Ayan. Tamara mo. 10 to shoot. Nera, good one. Number 16. Badura. Number 5, Joshua. Pass to number 18. Dinamig kay number Nastil. Sorry by number 16. Wala na kayong timeout. Wala na timeout. Now-take na rin carry-out. Stolen na naman by number 16. Sablay. Tinira, short. Rebound number 29, pass to number 9. Pass to number, and the shoot. 3 seconds violation. Santana, easy 2 points. 5 minutes exactly. Lays up by Joshua, 2 points. 78. 80-point lead. Para sa Romay. Magamit ng oras. 40 to shoot. 10 to shoot. For 3. Wala. Rebound naman na. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Santana, pumukol. Rebound by Bandura. Kanila ulit. 5 to shoot. Long 3, short. Rebound by number 5. Joshua na kumalit. Joshua, Lisa, Sablay. Nariba pa ni number 29. Long and 48. Pass to number 30. 8 to shoot. Pumukol. 3 points. Buhay pa si number 29. 3 minutes and 38 seconds left. To shoot. Balikan na bola. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 4. Rebound number 29. 29 na naman. Pumukol. 3 points. Back to back 3 points. 2 minutes and 58 seconds. 12-point lead. Ang inabol. To shoot. Is the wide sa number 17. Galit ng basketball. Sayado. Joshua sidestep. 2 points. Oh, ini Joshua. 78, 90. 2 minutes and 20 seconds left. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Long 2, short. Ayan na si jersey number. Pass to Joshua. Joshua, easy 2 points. 10-point lead. Last 2 minutes. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 to shoot. Ganda na pasa. 2 points. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Joshua pass to Unanan, puro ball. Wala. Rebound ni number 29. Pass to Joshua. 10 to shoot. Oh. 1 minute and 21 seconds. Number 18, Lowry. Wala. 1 minute and 10 seconds. So, number 70, 55 seconds left. Eight to shoot. Rebound, number 14. Okay.